Hey, good morning, guys. So we're here at Cascade Springs
Nature
Preserve, and we're going to be doing some hiking, maybe shoot up the drone a little bit. But here's Rich, the man.
We're gonna go for a hike. I have no clue where we're going. Never been here before, but there are apparently creeks, waterfalls, and old buildings on top of an old battleground. So, boardwalk. Let's go check it out. Oh, we're also in this proper in the city proper. Yes, this is the city of Atlanta, just the outskirts, the outer border ring. Outer, what do they call this? Outer loop. Outer loop. That's it.
Outer Loop.
Yeah. Welcome to the city of Atlanta. What?
It's very quiet. Nice.
So far, accessibility-wise, it looks pretty good. unless you're walking with a camera in your hand, everything looks pretty smooth. Ooh, old building. Here's your first old building.
Oh, that's the power plant. That's the power plant. That's it.
Doesn't look like a plant to me.
Yeah, see this, the flue?
Oh wait, the ivy? Is that what you call the plant?
Ooh. Oh yeah. I didn't bring my light. Oh, this must have been like the furnace. Oh yeah. It's all abandoned. Oh, this is the power plant here. Amazing. Wow.
And people come over here to poop.
You know, you need to stop that. You're scared to shit.
Oh, you can look inside the furnace.
But yeah, so he came through there and started talking about
It must be a furnace for here.
Is it?
Yeah, it's huge. This thing is huge. Our first creek. I don't see any edible fish down there. Oh.
Classroom, yeah.
What would that be?
Spring house.
Yeah,
That's what the teachers did.
there used to be,
Puppet show.
and now it's all dried up.
Oh, well, basically.
Somebody threw a log in there.
Oh, maybe to keep warm.
Yeah.
Maybe I had to get poop. What the hell are you talking about?
No, not that log.
That is one of the guys. Oh, okay.
Oh, somebody did make a fire in there. You burnt wood in the back. You burnt wood. All right, guys, so we made it through the woods and we can hear water. Not sure what that means exactly, so let's check it out.
That means someone's gonna have to pee soon.
Oh yeah, there it is.
That's not it.
It's the
The
rapids.
falls of the year. Oh, the rapids right there. And the stream, we're starting to get a trickle here. It's just woods and woods and more woods. It's beautiful. Nature. It's like sun-kissed. Wow, look at that tree. It's still growing. So I had to get a shot of this. That tree grows from that side. Those are the roots, and it grows over here. It's laid down into the ground. It's amazing. And those are the branches up there. It's pretty cool. We better catch up. Okay, so sad news to report. Richard took us on a wild goose chase. There was
No geese
nothing.
or ducks.
No falls. We almost fell,
At least twice.
but there was no falls. So
No fatalities.
we will try again soon.
Lake Lanier.
Lake Lanier.
Yes.
There you go.
And we couldn't fly the drone because
Too many
it was private property. That's how close we got to being arrested.
So close.
Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.
See you when we-
Bye.
Next wild goose chase.
They're all on their phones.
Bye, Paul.
Say bye, Paul.
Say bye,
Bye,
Paul.
Say bye.
Bye,
bye, Paul.
Bye.
Say
Bye. Bye.
All right. See you in the next one.